Well, Halloween is just around the corner, and I have to admit it. Halloween is a great time to print some of the models that just don't fit in any other time of the year. There are a lot of great Halloween models out there for download, and I'm going to show you my top 5 picks. I'll post the links down below in the description so you can go ahead and download and print them yourself if you want. This video is sponsored by PCB Way. Look no further than PCB Way for all your PCB manufacturing needs. PCB Way offers top quality custom PCBs and lightning fast turnaround times. Ordering is a breeze with their user friendly website. Get an instant quote now. Prototypes or production, PCB Way has you covered. Okay, so let's have a look at my favorite Halloween prints in no particular order. Here we go. First up is this realistic gold candy bowl, modeled by Thinkable. I found this model on Printables. This model is a realistic looking skull with the top of the head cracked open, making it a great bowl for candy or whatever else you might want to store in it. Me, I'm going to load it with candy. And then I'm going to empty it, load it again, and repeat again and again, probably up until Thanksgiving. I printed this bowl in PLA with 3 walls and no support. Now, next up is this Flexi print in place skeleton hand, modeled by Flexi Factory. I found this at my mini factory. This Flexi skeleton hand is an articulated print in place model that needs no supports. It comes with multiple versions that includes both right hand and left hand. It has an upright version, a long version, an extra long version that comes in 2 pieces. I printed this right hand upright version in PLA white, and of course, no supports. No bones about it. This is one of my favorite Halloween prints. Come on, what? Okay, bad pun. Moving on. Now, I grew up watching shows like The Munsters and The Addams Family, and I'm addicted to the series Wednesday on Netflix. So, adding Thing to my list of favorite Halloween prints was a no-brainer for me. I downloaded this model from printables.com. It's modeled by Marius Avis. Oh wow, it's a tough name to say. Avasiloaie. I hope I said that right. Marius did an amazing job with this model. The detail is unbelievable. The scars, the stitches, the wrinkles in the finger joints, the bulging of the veins. This is an outstanding modeling job. Now, I printed this one with Polymaker's Polyterra Army Beige PLA, and I have to say, it is a great match for skin tone. This print did not require supports. Just print it with the fingertips pointing up. It will stay. I used a brim. Now, next on my list, where is that? Is this candy corn bowl. Yep, it's a bowl. You don't have to like candy corn to love this bowl. Just look at that face. I mean, come on. I downloaded this model from Colts 3D. It's modeled by LittleTup. The download comes with files so that you can print it in multiple parts, changing the colors for each part. I printed this one on the Bamboo X1 Carbon. I was able to use the Bamboo Studio features, paint features, to get the 3 colors down here on the lower section with the white teeth and the red gums and, of course, the yellow background. I did 3 colors on the midsection with the orange, the white, and the black for the eyes. This white top, this 3rd separate piece, now it's all by itself. You don't need any extra colors for this. You can either print this all in one color and paint it. You can set your printer up and go ahead and just change the filament out. This is a nice model, and because it comes in multiple pieces, you can print this on almost any printer. This thing is great. Now, the final print on my list, it's a little small, is this little mini mummy. I found this on Thingiverse. It's modeled by 3D Printing. Now, if you haven't seen 3D Printing's artwork, you should check it out sometime. He makes some of the most amazing models. In fact, if you follow the link for this model down in the description, you'll see that 3D Printing has a few links for other Halloween models like a ghost, Frankenstein, and a werewolf. Check them out. I printed this on my original Ender 3 in white PLA. It did require some support here between the legs and under each arm. Um, just don't enable supports and print. Some slicers will try to add that. You're going to want to use some support block. Otherwise, you're going to get support at each one of these Band-Aid sections. Now, this little guy stands at just 82 millimeters along the Z-axis. A little on the small side. A model of this quality deserves to be seen. And I like my mummy's big. So don't be afraid to hit that scale button in your favorite slicer. This larger model was printed on the Creality K1 Max. I used Creality's white Hyper PLA. I think it looks great at any size. Now, that's it for my Halloween prints for this year. I'm sure there are a lot of great ones I missed, a lot of them. A lot of great modelers out there. Let me know down in the comments what some of your favorite Halloween 3D prints are. Hopefully I can print them before next Halloween. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button. Smash the bell so you'll be alerted to new content in the future. Live your life one layer at a time, and if you haven't done it yet, please consider subscribing.